I'm David Sudeck. I'm a partner with JMBM's Global Hospitality Group. We're here at the 2015 Meet the Money Conference, which is the 25th annual Meet the Money Conference. Thank you for joining us. I'm here with Don Lee, the head of Asia Investment for Interstate Hotels.
Yes, thank
Welcome.
you.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you for this wonderful conference and the opportunity to share some insights with you.
It's our pleasure. So tell me about your position at Interstate. First of all, just to give us a sense of what your role is.
Certainly. So I'm the head of Asia Investment Group. We see a large influx of Asian capital partners coming to the U.S. seeking better return and just diversification of their asset globally. So we're here to help them from a deal source perspective, branding selection, the PIP renovation management, and daily management of their assets here.
Got it. So you're here to guide foreign investment, but Chinese focused, foreign investment here domestically.
Correct.
Got it.
Yes.
Are you traveling to China for this purpose?
Not as much as I used to be now because most of them are onshore or have some offices here. So I'm mostly here domestically, but traveling among some key gateway cities, looking at different assets and presenting those deals to them.
Got it. Before you were at Interstate, you were with RIM.
That's right, yeah.
And there was a focus to bring in, again, Asia-based owners to domestic hotel ownership.
Correct. I was the chief operating officer for the international division of RIM Hospitality prior to the acquisition by Interstate. My role was a little more operational driven at the time, but now it's majority of my time are on the deal side. I do maintain the liaison and the owner relationship role when needed with the operation side of things, but my primary focus is on the deal side.
Got it. How has your role changed, or how has your platform changed going from RIM to Interstate?
Yeah, I think it's a perfect match culturally and strategically for both parties. So the transition has been really seamless at large. And we're very happy to be part of Interstate and bigger platform. We have more capital now. We could do deals that RIM couldn't do in the past.
So is Interstate investing, or are they co-investing? What's their platform?
Yeah, so Interstate, have a very strong balance sheet. We have managing about 450 hotels, 81,000 rooms under 50 different brands, and some are boutique independent hotels also. So we're well versed in all asset type. And here, we are constantly looking for tuck-in acquisition opportunities for other management company. We can also deploy our capital on joint ventures with the owner if they need the money, either through JV or key money. I think for a large company, Interstate is very nimble and agile. We could tailor our investment and solution based on the owner's needs. So it's been going quite well for the Asian capital partners because they really need that adaptability and flexibility when working together with us.
It's great to have the language and cultural insight as well, and not many companies that we work with from a management company perspective have someone of your skill set.
Well, thank you. I applaud my company, my employer, for creating this division. I think it's been serving us quite well. Not only the language but the in-depth understanding of the business culture. Previously I was the head of development for a large U.S. company, hotel group based in Shanghai. So I actually interact with hundreds of Chinese investors over there. So I certainly know, with the Chinese investors, even between the region, the culture are so different. Similar like New York and Texas and California, investors are different. Same there. And the language are so different too. You got the Cantonese, you got the Mandarin speaker. So the ability to comprehend that and communicate in a way that is appropriate and understandable to them is critical for us.
What's driving the investment here domestically from China specifically?
I think, U.S. has always been viewed as a safe haven for investors. And, when people have money, safety is very important for them. And also, fundamentally speaking, U.S. economy has always been pretty strong. People always value the U.S. Creativity and ability to reinvent itself over the times. So they feel U.S. is long-term a good market for investment. And most of the investors we come across, they're all looking for long-term hold for these hotel assets. So, and the dollars are strong. I think the cap rate today in the U.S. is probably the most attractive in mature markets, certainly better than some of the European markets we know. So I think a combination of all that factors are driving them to come to onshore in the U.S. market.
Are you changing your approach or strategy in any way? Has there been consistency over the last year or two? Or are you seeing trends in the marketplace? Or give me an idea as to how you're evolving.
Yeah, I think we constantly are adapting ourselves to different owners' needs. It's a mutual learning process. We take it as an action learning. If there's any opportunity to learn, we retool ourselves and apply again. At large, the demand is strong, I think, but most of the partners we're working with, they're very disciplined. They know, what they're looking for. They're looking for mostly full-service hotels in key gateway cities with a certain cap rate return and value-added opportunities. So we're presenting those deals if it meets their investment criteria and really work hard to achieve the return they wanted.
How hard is it to find these value-add opportunities?
It's getting a little harder, as you see. And
a lot of competition.
Yeah, a lot of competition. And the money is, liquidity is definitely abundant here in the U.S. today. So it's getting challenging, but luckily Interstate are managing almost 400 hotels in the U.S., so we have a good market intelligence, a very large team. We also invest multi-million dollars in IT, in our accounting software, procurement software, that really sustain us for the long-term growth. So I think, one example, our accounting software now are totally bilingual. We could offer our clients all the reports on their iPhone or smartphone.
That's great.
Yeah, one touch, and they can see all the way to yesterday's real-time occupancy, ADR, how much money they have in their bank account. So it's been a very well-perceived
cutting edge.
Feature. Well, thank you. Yeah.
And then in terms of millennials, is there a push at Interstate generally, not necessarily Asia-focused, to address the lifestyle, boutique, trends that we're seeing with the acquisition of Kimpton by HG and Moxy launch by Marriott?
Yeah, certainly. We're at the forefront with all these different branding opportunities and really evolve with the general trends in the market. We're engaged with our leading brand partners with their new boutique brands. For example, the Curio, the Autograph, Moxy.
Yes.
Yeah, we're very on board with that. We know that's a trend, and so we embrace it as a management company.
Yeah. I know you recently opened the Residence Inn LAX.
Yeah.
Right here, which looks, I drove by, it looks beautiful. I'm going to the grand opening in a week. I can't wait. It looks spectacular. Have you been to that property yet?
I'm actually staying there during this conference, and I just met Bob Walter, our owner, first time yesterday. Impressive
Very
guy.
Impressive.
Yeah, and he's done a great job with the vision and the execution skills to get the project done. I think it's really first class. Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
Saying congratulations
Beautiful.
on that.
Thank you very much.
Engagement.
Yeah, thank you.
And you guys have had a long-standing relationship with Bob and with Sunstone as well.
Correct. And that's been a great relationship. And we have a lot of large capital partners like that. And my role is to enlarge our Asian capital partner footprints here and capturing more opportunities.
I hope to work with you. We have a Chinese investment group, as you
That's
know.
right, yeah.
And we have aligned incentives, so
Yeah.
we look forward to working with you.
Yeah, most definitely. We've been enjoying a very good working relationship in the past, and I love to get more involved.
We
with
pride
that.
ourselves on showing also the inbound Chinese investment, responsible investment and dealing with our whole cultural.
Most definitely.
characters.
It's a key issue to have a good law firm here, advising them on all phases through the transaction. So they're in good hands.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate again your coming to the conference
my
and participating.
pleasure. Yeah, no, thank you so much for the
Take
great
care.
opportunity.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.